Getting caught in a hailstorm can be traumatic during the storm and dealing with the repairs to your vehicle after. Hailstorms can cause major damage to your vehicle's exterior and diminish the value if not repaired correctly. Paintless dent repair is the ideal process to repair this type of damage. No paints or fillers are used, thereby keeping your vehicle's original finish and value intact. Using specially designed, surgically fabricated tools, Kurt Price, Master Hail Technician, is able to repair the roof of this vehicle to pre-hailstorm condition. If you have been in a hailstorm and live in Houston or the surrounding areas, call the experts at Dent Lion today, 832-579-5541, or visit us at dentlion.com.